Now that we have a title block border in our file, we're going to want to go ahead and add a north point. That's what Vectorworks calls the north arrow. And so with the title block border selected over here, I can add that in a couple different ways. So the first would be just to come over here to the Object Info palette and then click on Display North Point right there. That automatically gives me my north point. And because I have this selection tool active right now, notice that it's giving me this blue handle. That means that I can click and reposition where that north point shows. The other thing that I can do is I can come up here for the title block border setting. So if I click on title block border settings, one of the panes that I have over here, it's called north point. And so I can always toggle on and off the option to display north point. I can also come over here to the north symbol. And if I click on that drop down, I can see that under the Vectorworks libraries, I have a file here that has a lot of different options for north points. So you can go ahead and select a different north point that you would like to use in your file. I can also change the north angle here. That's how you're going to change the direction that the north arrow is pointed. And so let's say that north is to the left of my page. So I'm going to come over here and just type in 90. Right here, we have the scale factor. So if I feel like that north point is a little bit too small, I can go ahead and say, let's make it a 1.25. The position along the X and Y axis can be changed if I know a very specific location that I would like that to show up. So I'm going to go ahead and click OK. And then notice that my north point got larger. It also changed the direction that the north point is pointed towards. So that is how you can add a north point to your file and some of the edits that you can make.